Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make an interesting conversation in English. If you're interested, so let's continue. First, we can start conversation with the greetings. Most famous word for greeting is hello. We can say it in an official way and in a friendly way. But there is much more of examples. Let's look at the next one. I'm glad to welcome you. We can use it when someone visits our house, for example. Then we can talk about ourselves. For example, where do we born? I born in Spain or other country. But native speakers often use this, including that they aren't born in place. They only moved there when they're 11 or 12 years. But the more clear way to say the sentence will be I born and raised in Italy, but I grew up in Spain. So continue talking about your name. My name is, for example, Kate, and my name means you can continue this phrase yourselves. Something that we really like to talk about is a hobby. Instead of talking about list of things, uh, you can speak more interesting. The thing that you cannot know about me is that I can draw, for example. Then talk about your job. I work and any profession you're working and your opinion or feedback about it. Talk about why you choose this work. Do you like your coworkers? Is your work so difficult? You can talk about your apartment if you want. Where does it accommodate? How much rent do you pay for it? How much rooms is in there? Answer these questions and you'll have full information about your house. Your relationships. You can talk about your family if there's one child in family. We're talking about him like only as child in the family. If you really like someone, calling him or her a boyfriend or a girlfriend is not serious. Best way to call them is partner, maybe. Okay, and our video finished. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Goodbye.